Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix slow printing issue in Windows 11. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type msdt.exe space, -id space, printer diagnostic. Select printer name. Second method is open printer and devices. Click Preferences. Click Quality. Click Restore Defaults. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.